Science and Discovery. Density Tower with Kitchen Liquids. In the bustling city of Scienceville, every Monday was an exciting day for young students. This particular Monday, Miss Explorer stood before her class in room 8, ready to teach them something new about density with kitchen liquids. Miss Explorer set 3 bottles on the table: water, oil, and honey. "Today, we'll create a tower," she said mysteriously. The children watched intently as Miss Explorer poured each liquid into test tubes. The first student carefully placed the water-filled test tube at the bottom of the tower. The next student added oil, and the third added honey. "Now let's see what happens," Miss Explorer exclaimed. The tower stood still for a moment before the honey began to sink towards the bottom, followed by the oil, and finally, the water. The children gasped in wonder at the changing order of the liquids. "Why did the liquids move like that?" asked Timmy. Miss Explorer smiled. "That's because of density, Timmy?" Miss Explorer explained that density is how much stuff is packed into a given space. "Now let's test it ourselves," she said excitedly. One by one, the students added salt to their cups of water and observed what happened. They discovered that when more salt was added, the water became denser and sank to the bottom of the container faster. The children talked enthusiastically about their experiments and findings. "It's amazing how much we can learn by testing our ideas," said Timmy. Miss Explorer smiled as she watched her students explore the world of science through simple experiments. "Remember, always be curious and ask, why?" As the class ended, the students left room 8 with newfound knowledge and excitement for what they would learn next. They couldn't wait for Tuesday. It was Math Magic Day. The following Monday, the curious class returned to room 8, eager to continue their journey into the world of science. And so it went. Every Monday, Miss Explorer guided her students in discovering the wonders around them through simple experiments and a little bit of magic. Miss Explorer inspired her students to never stop asking questions and exploring their world through simple experiments. The children learned that every Monday, they could embark on a new adventure in room 8, from density towers with kitchen liquids to magical math equations.